hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Alexcraft jewelry supply. And this is your September beads. I don't know. I try, and the lighting gets even worse. We got them. And I'm going to use these. These are fillers, and they're used on bracelets and necklaces. And I'm going to be using these in my craft room. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use them for, but I'll tell you, Alexcraft makes some very good jewelry for the jewelry designers and things. For costume jewelry, they're very well put together, and I like them a whole lot. I like all of their things, and I would recommend this to anybody. And this is the craft and jewelry surprise. Okay, and this is the blue, the navy blue, and there's 12 pieces in here. So I'm going to actually have some fun with this. And if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.